Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In The Money Stocks. Today is August 10th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading lower by about 10 points right now to 24.63 per contract. So the futures under pressure again for a second straight day. Yesterday, the markets did gap down, but they did really finish flat by the end of the session, or well off the lows at least. So we'll see what today brings. We'll see if we get a little bit more selling pressure out here. But when we get selling pressure, we get lots of trade action, and that's what we really like to see. Volatility is starting to finally uptick, and again, more plays will be available to us as we get that volatility. All right, let's get over to the stocks in the news. We're going to start off with the day with Macys. You're going to see Macys right here trading at $23.35. Stock reported earnings and closed at $23.03 yesterday. So again, Macys ticking up a little bit after the earnings. I don't see a lot of upside personally. Maybe if it does trade higher, 24.25 would be its max. So again, there's really not much I would do with it, but we will look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We'll take a look at it there. I know a lot of traders are probably saying, well, where's the support level on Macys if it falls? I'm seeing a little bit of support around 21.95. It's minor, so it may not last very long. So if you do decide to take a play there, again, you're not looking for a long day trade. Pretty much, a quick day trade at best. Let's take a look at Kohls stores, CSS, another retailer in play today. Stock right now is trading at $40.72. I'm working out levels for this. I think I'm just going to have a mathematical level posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. I already see the level on my system. So again, we will look to play this one today. Kohls stores, KSS in play. Let's take a look at PRGO, drug maker here. Stock is getting a big pop today. Closed at $66.37 yesterday. It is now trading at $74.51 today. So this is a good move. Going to give this the upside bias to around 77.25, maybe 77.5. I don't really see it going much past that. But nonetheless, Perigo on the move today. Let's take a look at EAT, which is Brinker. This is the parent of Chili's. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $35.50, but no volume behind it. That means there's no real conviction here, at least not yet. But you are upticking. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Dillards. DDS is the ticker symbol there. This is another retailer just like Macys. Stock right now is getting hammered, though. Stock closed at $73.34. It is now trading at $63.70 a share. Dillards is getting slaughtered. I will have gap levels for this one. We will look to play this once the opening bell rings today. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we are doing in there. Let's take a look at Goose, Canada Goose. The stock right now trading at $20.48, closed at $18.95. So this is making a decent move. Max move upside on this would probably be somewhere around 22.25, 22.20, somewhere there. I'm not sure we're going to get it up to that level though. But either way, nice little pop there for Canada Goose, which is kind of a new issue. Let's take a look at PAAS, which is Pan American Silver. Stock is upticking a little bit. Gold and silver both are higher this morning. So again, this is trading at $16.75, closed at $15.96. Nice pop there. A lot of resistance though coming into play around the $17.15 level on this chart. You can see right into that 200-day moving average on the daily chart. So a lot of resistance coming up. And again, nice pop. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at Chicago Bridge and Iron. Ticker symbol is CBEYE. Stock is trading at $12.80. It closed at $16.33. This is a complete destruction of the bridge. So again, stock is falling sharply. I don't even see a level here. There's probably nothing for me in this one until we get down to around $10. If we get to $10 by some chance, I might snatch it up there at that $10 level. Until then, like the movie says, leave it alone. All right, let's go over to NTES, which is NTES. And what you're going to see here, NTES trading at $298.50. It closed at $315. I'm going to have some gap levels, or I'll have a mathematical level for this one. Gap levels look to be real tough. I'm going to have a mathematical level for this one. We'll keep that, we'll post that up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at 21st Century Fox. Ticker symbol is FOXA. Fox A. Stock right now is trading at $28.70, closed at $27.90. Can't make too much out of this, but a nice little gap up. Again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's much to do here. Not a lot of volume in the move just yet. So we'll keep this one on the radar. It will be in play. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We get more volume involved. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is catching a big bid today, trading up 11 points. Right now, spot gold is at $1,290.30 an ounce. If you take a look at the ETF for gold, which is GLD, you'll see this is trading at $122.10. I had good resistance yesterday at around $121.40. Today we're above it. So again, gold is flying high right now, basically on the back of a lot of geopolitical events, a lot of comments coming out of the White House, a lot of comments coming out of the Congress and the Senate. It's just a lot going on. Gold is a safe haven play. Crude oil also on the move today. Looks like Saudi Arabia said they're going to reduce output. That is giving crude oil a lift. Crude is up 65 cents to $50.21 a barrel. Let's take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, and you'll see that's trading at $10.28, back up at towards the highs. So again, gold on the move, oil on the move, the futures on the downtick. Futures right now in the S&P trading down 11 points this morning. So it's going to be an interesting morning. Should be excellent trade action out here. And once again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we are doing there. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.